What are you gonna teach Aunt Kathy?
I'm gonna teach her how to make a fortune teller. But I already showed her how to make the fortune teller, and now I'm gonna show her what you do with the rest of it. So you make here are the 4 tops, and you are supposed to make them into variety of colors, and this one could be like pink, this one could be like red or yellow and green, but they all have to be different colors. And if someone picks green, you could go like this, Green. But since you started on this, you could also start this way, Green. See these flaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You put numbers in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. I get lost track at some time, so yeah, you could do it that way, like any way you want, but it has to be 1 through 8. And if they pick 8, you go like this.
You step back, cause
if you pick 8, you go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's right here. And then they would pick like another number, like 7 or 6 or 5. So you would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they would have a choice, and they would have a choice between these 2 flaps. And if they pick this one, you would open it up, and then you would find like a fortune, like you'll be rich and famous. And on this one, it could be like something bad that could happen to you.